Lamborghini cleaner. You've never seen anything like
This guy
this.
has a steamer, but it's made for Lamborghinis.
I don't believe it.
Well, I mean, that's what he said, so I don't know. I'm gonna
Is this a
have...
joke or something?
No.
It's a Lamborghini Steamer. They're gonna pull up. They're just doing the steamer for you.
But what do you mean a Lamborghini steamer?
It's a four-door certified Lamborghini Steamer. You ain't never seen one of these like this
Certified.
in your life. I promise you.
What up, man? Yeah, okay, what's going on? Is there a trick or something?
Yeah, so right here we have the first Lamborghini powered steamer. Steamer basically does wet steam and dry steam. No chemicals, no water spots anywhere in the driveway, none of that. Imagine you're getting a facial and you have the steam blowing in your face, your pores open up, and that's basically what it does to the paint.
Look at the shirt.
$1 million shirt right here.
One boy's doing the thing, man.
When I start it up, you'll see.
Can't show us, bro.
Come on, I'll pull out the machine, park it up next to the Lamborghini.
Oh, this shit's serious, bro. You gotta do all this? I kind of about to shit out.
Hell.
But if that shit rolled down fast and crashed in the car,
No,
that'd be good.
I'm about to move the car. There's no
No,
way.
it'll be good content if it just hit it. If it just fucked it up in the back. It'd be
You
good.
want me to move it forward?
Yeah. Look at the push start right here.
Oh, hell no.
Oh my god.
I thought it was a fucking joke, dude.
Just like that. Let's see how this looks in about an hour.
Hey, fuck this $300,000 SUV. Fuck this fucking $300,000 Lamborghini. Fuck that $200,000 lease. Fuck the fuck. It's about power wash, man. It's about power wash, man.